Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters. Les Couleurs. In this session, we'll learn colors name in French.
Rouge, rouge,
Red,
jaune, jaune,
yellow,
vert, vert,
green,
bleu, bleu,
blue,
orange, orange,
orange,
rouge, rouge,
pink,
violet, violet,
violet,
gris, gris, blanc, blanc,
white,
noir, noir,
black,
brun, brun,
brown, table of colors.
The colors in French change with the number and gender of the noun. For example, a black pen is written as un stylo noir, as a stylo is a masculine word, whereas a black table is written as une table noire, as table is a feminine word. The colors are always placed after the noun, unlike English. For example, in English we say a black pen, while in French it's un stylo noir.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow us.